तो ये डिज़ाइन क्लिनिक के लिए भी अच्छा है, काफ़ी ठीक दिख रहा है ये। तो इस तरह से दिस लुक्स क्यूट और ये ऊपर भी अच्छा लग रहा है। आलोक, अगर क्लिनिक के रिसेप्शन के लिए डिज़ाइन देखिए ये वाला। अच्छा ये लाइट ना थोड़ा मूव भी होता है। इस तरह से है ये। एक्चुअली मुझे तो ये जो मुझे बटन तो क्यूट ही लगते हैं।
Ancient Greek scaled many peaks in architecture that remain appealing even today. Inspired by the distinct mainland design style and vibrant hues of Santorini Island, is a masterpiece that will adorn the skyline of Bengaluru, presenting Shobhaniopolis, luxury abodes crafted with a perfect mix of classic and modern styles. Discover magnificence like no other, with 19 towers and 65 plus curated indulgences inspired by timeless Grecian marvels. Located at Panathur, near the outer ring road, this township is
Kadu bhi Sonali udhar hai.
of Bengaluru's IT corridor. Life is seamless when conveniences are nearby. Shobhaniopolis is close to reputed corporates and tech parks, including 700 plus IT and BT companies that employ over 1.7 lakh people and generate 32% of Bengaluru's total IT revenue. Leading educational institutes that include some of the top CBSE, ICSE and IB schools in
Pause, can you pause?
State-of-the-art healthcare facilities, including tertiary care and super specialties. Leisure avenues, such as prominent conveniences, are nearby. Shobhaniopolis is close to reputed corporates and tech parks, including 700 plus IT and BT companies that employ over 1.7 lakh people and generate 32% of Bengaluru's total IT revenue. Leading educational institutes that
सी बेटा अभी क्रिसालिस हाई अपने घर के पास में है, कैम्ब्रिज इंटरनेशनल भी इधर पास में है। या एनपीएस नहीं लिखा है।
ये स्कूल पूरा Your school is here. This side, yeah. That side, yes. So when you go this side, madam,
Baligere.
straight this side. This is your school actually.
और वहाँ से हॉस्पिटल दिखाइए।
हाँ. We'll go by.
includes some of the top CBSE, ICSE and IB schools in Bengaluru. State-of-the-art healthcare facilities, including tertiary care.
So ये पूरा है मणिपाल, साकरा सब कुछ है. हॉस्टेस, अपोलो.
दिखा दो ज़्यादा दूर नहीं। अपोलो
And super specialties, leisure avenues such as prominent malls and multiplexes, retail superstores, coffee houses, breweries, and more. The upcoming Brahma Metro phases 2A and 2B are slated to be completed by 2025. Also, the ongoing CDB road network will further enhance Panathur's connectivity with prominent localities such as Ulara, Bengaluru, Marathalli, Whitefield, and Sarjapur Road. Nestled in lush greenery, Shobhaniopolis is spread over 25 acres and 35 kuntas. The township has 78% deep. 3 clubhouses spread across 77,850 square feet are modeled in vibrant Santorini style. Indulge in a multitude of amenities that are thoughtfully crafted for all age groups and are classified into varied zones. Recreational zone, park and plaza, active zone and kids zone. At the recreational zone, socialize and experience unique community living amidst like-minded people. The 3 clubhouses are loaded with the finest of indoor pastimes, with pristine water bodies recreating the ideal life. The vibrant Santorini village has dome gazebos for relaxed mornings, canopy dining area for al fresco brunches, and postcard alley for capturing candid moments. Explore the flea markets as your little ones have a blast at the play area and activity lawn. Park and Plaza is where you can embrace nature and enjoy enjoy celebrations. The imposing entrance
Abhinav,
plaza
see, Abhinav, here they'll be giving you a telescope. Will be installed. Yeah, you can see.
I'll show you that.
Yeah, you wanted this always.
into the world of Greek magnificence. Indulge in scenic views and stargazing at the clock tower that is equipped with a telescope.
Wow!
Ascend the water cascades and immerse yourself in the Greek paradise from the centrally located Olympus Plaza. Designed with imposing columns in a graceful arc, this wonder is reminiscent of the Parthenon of Acropolis. Follow a healthy lifestyle at Active Zone. Stay on top of your fitness regime with amenities themed around multiple sports and wellness pursuits. The Kids Zone has diverse outdoor activities in vehicle-free areas for utmost safety. Enjoy the journey with your little ones as they discover their talents. Let them have a gala time with their
Wow, so you'll get this?
That is designed with water slides and splash pool with fountain jets. Apart from the multitude of indulgences, the tower design is also aesthetically appealing. The 18-story high-rises feature mainland Greek architectural elements crafted with unparalleled finesse, such as pavements on roofs, arches and ornate brackets at multiple levels, double-height entrance lounge. It's time to enter your Greek paradise. The 8 feet tall,
See the
Vastu-compliant
sofa.
entry ushers you into the vast living spaces. Arched entrances and large toys
It is so
impart
cute.
a lavish feel.
I love this.
The well-designed living room seamlessly extends to the large dining area. The alcove can be used as a library or hobby corner. Meditate outdoors at the sprawling patio. Relish breakfast with family or roast up a storm with a barbecue amid scenic views. Practice organic farming in the double-height private garden.
Yeah, हम तो टमाटर लटकाएंगे भूल जाओ मम्मी
As the
मैं रोजेस नहीं उगाने वाली अब मैं टमाटर लटकाऊंगी वहाँ पे
dining area.
टमाटर के
The
पेड़
attached large utility has provision for fully loaded laundry unit and varied
Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so
The
beautiful.
aesthetically designed master bedroom has provision for a large walk-in wardrobe and an attached balcony for enhanced light and ventilation. The spacious bedrooms are equipped with electrical and optical fiber bands to set up a study or workspace. The kids' room is well planned for study desk, creative
I love
activities,
this.
and playtime. The master bathroom has shower partition and niches for bathing essentials. Refresh and rejuvenate in the plush bathrooms, designed for luxury and
Who wants
comfort.
bathtub?
Come, enjoy a Mediterranean lifestyle. Live life to the hilt at Shobha Neopolis. 3 and 4 BHK luxury abodes. Book your luxury abode at Shobha Neopolis today. Call 0
चलो चलो चलो